Today, we take you on a journey to the unique and gorgeous Samha Greenhouse, an eco-friendly paradise nestled between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So, get ready to explore the wonders of Samha Greenhouse. Welcome back to our channel. The Samha Greenhouse in Abu Dhabi is a beautiful, developed home for various species of plants, including fruit varieties like pineapples and plantains. Admission to Samha Greenhouse is free, allowing visitors to leisurely explore the various flora. Situated just off the intersection of the E11 highway and Al Madar Street, it is approximately a 45-minute drive from Dubai. The greenhouse design features expansive glass panels that allow natural sunlight to illuminate the interior without excessive heat, creating a comfortable environment for visitors. In the evening, the structure is beautifully lit, providing a picturesque view. Whether you are a natural lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, this place is a must visit. This greenhouse isn't just about beauty, it's also about sustainability. A key highlight here is the aquaponic system, a futuristic farming method that combines aquaculture and hydroponics to grow plants more effectively without soil. The inclusion of aquaponic systems highlights a commitment to promoting innovative and sustainable food production methods. The best time for the visit is either in the early morning or just before sunset. The glass panels reflect the sunlight beautifully, creating dreamy visuals. And that's a wrap on today's journey to Samha Greenhouse. If you love this tour, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more exciting travel exploration and comment below your queries. See you in the next adventure. Till then, bye.